Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do drawings, and this is a Zentangle original pattern, and we are on episode 15. So this is spelled drawings. I think a lot of people pronounce it, or it's supposed to be pronounced, draw wings. So this is going to be a fun one. So we'll just finish spelling out drawings. And again, this is a Zentangle. I think some people call them Zentangle Originals. But I'm just going to write Zentangle on here. And then I'm just going to reference this. It's episode 15. All right. So for drawings, first what we want to do is we want to draw kind of like understanding where you want to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do this kind of from the center, but just a little bit off, because we're going to have most of our pattern is going to be out here. So go ahead and kind of draw this circle and just go ahead. You're going to come around and we're going to do a soft S. And then you're going to want to go ahead and do that. We're going to do that again, but we're going to come out. And then go ahead, we're going to do that again. With our soft S. For this, I'm going to do 5. I think that's kind of the typical what most people do on this, is they'll do like 5. I think I'm going to come up here, just spread that out a little bit. All right. So next what we want to do is we're going to come through and, okay, so to think this through, it would be like we're going to do some soft bump outs, all right? But we want to connect up here. So we want to just kind of slightly move our bump outs a little further out so it gets a little bit thicker the farther in we go. It's just kind of a soft one, a little bit bigger. And again, we're just leaving a little bit more space each time we come out. And we're going to do that for each of our soft S's that come through here. All right. So next what we want to do is come through and we're going to connect this first point here. We're going to come around and almost kind of aura in with our original soft S. And then we want to take our next points and just kind of connect them to that. So now we're getting a wing-like shape, hence draw wings. Actually, I want to bring that around. So again, this first one, we want to bring it back. And then come through and connect. So we have these little wing-like shapes. think I might go ahead and draw a little line here as if this came up and around. And then we'll go ahead and finish this one out. And try in our final little wing shapes. And then if you want, you can go through and draw in little kind of highlights. Just kind of give it a little bit more of a shape to it. Which I really like on this. Let's go and add one right here to that one. All right, and there you have it. That's drawings. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.